What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to tackle the engine bay, take out the harness, the brake lines, the brake booster, the clutch, see as much as we could clear it up and see how bad the rust is under the dash. Hold this one with your hand firm. Hold this here, keep this in this hand firm, and then you crack with this one. Understand? So this is the main guy we want to remove first, the brakes booster. You can see the reservoir is like dry rot from the sun. I already disconnect the lines and I took out the 4 bolts below the dashboard. So let me show you what that looks like under there. So under the dashboard here you got 4 bolts that hold in the booster, and it's pretty dark under here, but you got another 2 that holds in the clutch pedal. This pin is pretty stuck in there, but gave him a little punch and pushed it through. It's not all the way through, but the pedal is free, so we should be able to get the booster out now. So on the inside I already disconnected the clutch pedal like that. Wow. I'm gonna leave the line on it till I label up all the lines, so at least I know this one is the clutch line. Alright, so now the next step is the brakes lines, but this one is already disconnected, so I'm just gonna fish that through, pull that line out. Next goal is to fish out this piece of harness. It just looks tucked right along the inside. We're making some good progress on the inside. We got to take out the blower box and this center console here. But in these older model cars, older model vehicles, they used to be cable. You know, like in new cars now they're electronic and it switches the zones. But these whole things are controlled by cables behind. So you gotta go under, disconnect all the cables, take a few pictures so I could remember which cable came from where. That should be it. Let's see how that goes.